Mother and father with great aspirations, and they are married, so most of the tensions are the same as the rest of the parents. It is running. These are the parents who are married. They do their children, whether they are the parents of a child or the parents of a child. The responsibility now lies with both of them, so that they may bring comfort to their father after the wedding. My daughter saw how much my parents did. I have tried to make sacrifices. The costs are in place and many things, also included. Then after a few days he says, the most traumatic it happens to the mother. Now thus says the son, the mother and father are greatly affected. If you want to protect your parents from trauma, stay with love. Stay with love, stay with forgiveness. There will be few married couples. And then there were 60 years between them. Not that the tips were off, and so they do. If mom, then the daughter will be able to speak well. The good news is that not everything is bad. The son speaks well of his father. Do good things. Whoever is in charge of then the men were sent to him. He said, look at the good things. When they look at the good things, then they begin to decrease. Search for the perfection you call it. Searching for you alone. If we think that my life partner fulfilled all my hopes, then he will speak. My life partner fulfilled all my expectations. When the parents do not have all the expectations, neither the sons nor the parents. How will the wives be fulfilled in all hopes? Both come from different cultures. The two families are separated. The two are separate. Take patience, and bless your mother and father. I am telling you right. Your parents will know when. My daughter is happy. Believe in the father, he says. There is no work. This is everything. And the son knows that he is happy. Father is happy. The mother wants her son to be happy.